In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change stores on Instacart. This is a useful skill to learn if you want to shop at a different store in your area. Changing stores can help you find better deals or specific items that may not be available at your usual store. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for Instacart. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Simply type Instacart into the search bar and hit enter. As the search results load, you will see various links related to Instacart. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your shopping experience. You want to ensure you're accessing the official site for security reasons. Once you see the official link, you are ready for the next step. Next, click the correct link and log in. Look for the link that takes you directly to Instacart's homepage. After clicking on it, you will be directed to the site. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Logging in is essential as it allows you to access your shopping preferences and saved items. You will see your account details once logged in, reassuring you that you are in the right place. Now click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of Instacart.com. This icon is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on it will open a sidebar menu that contains various options for navigating the site. This step is important because it gives you access to different features, including the ability to change stores. You will notice that the menu expands, revealing multiple options, which makes it easier for you to find what you need. From there, select Stores to view the drop-down menu of nearby alternative stores. Once you click on Stores, a list of available stores in your vicinity will appear. This feature allows you to see all the stores partnered with Instacart in your area. It's a valuable resource as it shows you different options for your grocery shopping. This step simplifies the process of switching stores, ensuring you can quickly find what you are looking for. After that, click your preferred store to switch. Once you find the store you want to shop at, simply click on it. This action will set your new store as the primary location for your shopping. You will notice that the page refreshes and the items available from your new store will be displayed. This is important because it ensures that you're now able to shop from a store that better fits your needs. You will see the confirmation on the screen, which assures you that the switch has been successful. Finally, click the plus sign on the items you would like to purchase to start. After selecting the items, click the cart icon to check out the newly selected items from the new store. Adding items to your cart is straightforward. The plus sign will increase the quantity of each item you want. Once you've finished selecting your groceries, clicking the cart icon will take you to the checkout page where you can review your order. This step is vital because it finalizes your shopping experience, allowing you to confirm your selections and proceed to payment. Now you know how to change stores on Instacart. Each step is designed to make your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. Happy shopping!